Hi, in this video we are going to see how to search using a regex operator. So this is a products collection. It has like 6 documents. Each document has ID, SKU and description. Okay, so how to search ABC? SKU uh, field which has ABC. Okay, for that SKU and then regex ABC, which contains ABC. SKU contains ABC. It can be anywhere in the string. It can be anywhere start, middle, end, anywhere. So how many documents we have? ABC here, ABC 2, and then this one ABC. But this is a capital, so we are not searching any uh, capital letters, only small letters. We are not using case sensitive and insensitive search also. So only these two will appear, ABC 123 and ABC 789. Let's execute this query. Okay, so we have got only these two documents. Okay, now we'll create some more documents. Still 105 we have, this is 107, 12 ABC 34. So this is here ABC is in the middle. I'll create one more document. Here ABC is in the last. Okay, so if you search again, so now you know, like we have ABCs in different places, like here one, here in the start again 2, and then here in the middle, so 3, here in the end 4. So totally 4 document has to come if you search like this. Okay, I'm sorry. So totally 4 documents. It can be anywhere in the document. So we are missing one document here, like ABC. Here ABC is there, but it's a capital letter, so it's not searching for capital letters. So how to search for, how to include that also? For that you need to pass options here and put I here. I means case insensitive search. So now that capital ABC will also appear here. So you see capital ABC is also comes here. Now if you want to search for ABC which appears in the start of a string, so here it's in the middle, here it is in the last. So how to search for string which has ABC in the start, okay, not in the middle or not in the end, something like that. So for that we need to use this caret symbol. Okay, so if you run this query, so how many records we have now? Like totally 1 2 3 4 5 records, out of which only 2 records has ABC in the start. Okay, so let's execute this. Okay, so this is case insensitive search, so it includes this also. Okay, so how to uh, so how to search the document which has ABC at the end. Okay, so at the end we have only this document abc 106. So how to search for that? We have to use dollar symbol for that. At the end we have to use the dollar symbol. Okay, so if you search this, we have this document searches for abc, the end of the string. Okay, so so the next thing is we are going to see multi line strings. So these are all multi-line strings. Okay, so this is n is a slash n is that, so it means like this multiple is a first line and line description is a second line. The same thing everywhere. So here also the same thing, first line and second line. Okay, now if you search like description, okay, it's in the description field. Description, instead of SKU and regex ends with line. Okay, here you see, so this is two line uh, string. Okay, two line description. So first line is the first line, second line is this one. Okay, so this is the first line and this is the second line. Okay, if you search like the strings which has a line at the end of the string, we will get, okay, so these two. Okay, so for example, if you change this line to some other thing, okay, I'll change this to some other thing, or else, yeah, line to some other thing, 101. First row, I change this here. Okay, now if you search for row, okay, row is in the middle, but you are searching, it should appear in the end of the string. Okay, so now it will not appear. So it considers this whole line as a single string. It's not considering as a, it has a multiple lines of a string. It considers this thing, the whole thing as a single string. So to consider each row, we have to use each row as a string. So to consider each row, this is one row and this one again another row. To consider like this, we have to use m condition. Okay, here if you use m, okay, now it will search in each row. So in this first line, it searches whether it ends with a row or not. Yes, it ends with row. Okay, so that's why this document appeared. Okay, so the next is we have a dot character. Okay, if you want to consider once again, so if you want to consider first dot slash n as a normal character, you have to use yes option. Okay, for example, I am here, I want to find this line. Okay, for that, description start with first and end with line. This starts with first and ends with line. Okay, I'm searching this. Start with first. Okay, start with first, and in the middle it anything can be there. Okay, so it should, but it should end with line. Okay, so this is my query. I want this document. Okay, this document to appear. I want to search this document. So what happens if I search like this? Okay, it's just zero documents because this slash and it's there in the middle, so that's why it is not searching. So how to avoid those? If you put s, you have to use yes. So this dot star also considers that slash and new line character as a normal character. Okay, if you put slash, if you put s, now if you search, this appears. Okay.